Hot news if you live in Illinois. I repeat, hot news if you live in Illinois. Welcome back to Notary News. My name is Sean Rogers. I train people how to pass the notary test on the first try, and I share hot notary news from around the country. Now listen, the state of Illinois has figured out another way for you guys to make money as a notary, okay? Let me share this with you. It says here, the Illinois Secretary of State has launched a new electronic notary system that will remove requirement for Illinois residents to notarize a document in person. Bottom line is, Illinois joins 47 other states by allowing electronic notaries. People new in the notary business don't realize that before, everyone had to be in person for something to be notarized, okay? Now, 47 states are allowing for people to do it electronically, which serves as another way for you to make money as a notary, right? It's called an eNOTARY. Let me read more to you. eNOTARY allows both the customer and the notary to sign an electronic signature and to electronically attach both the notary and the certificate and the seal to a document. All right, so come on. Pass that test, get your notary license in whatever state you're in, and start making this money, because there's so many different ways to make money as a notary, either as a side hustle, full-time, or part-time. And if you need help passing the test on the first go like I did, I got you. Just check out my other videos, and I give you the inside tips on what the questions will be, all right? What the questions will be, or the questions I faced, or what the handbook says will be your questions, simple and easy on the test. All right, that's it. Hot Notary News. See you guys next time.